Coming from my father's farm.
You are coming from your father's farm. Who asked you if your father has a farm? That's offense number 1. Trying to intimidate an officer of the law by bombarding him with an information he did not ask for.
That's just one offense. So you think that because you're a young man, you can be carrying tubers of yam inside a black bag and walking down the street anyhow you like, right? You are coming to the police station with us because of this.
What a crime against humanity.
Officer Disaster.
Bado Police.
I'm excited about today's adventure. I pray it to be a successful one, just like the one of yesterday.
Hopefully, it will even be more successful. You know that we don't have much number of empty cells in the station now. So we will try our best to extort our victims out there on the streets without having to bring them over to the police station first.
Yes, that's right. That should definitely be our major target. You know, normally, they say that everyone is innocent until proven guilty by the court of law. But for us, everyone is guilty until proven innocent by a court of law. Or
until someone pays for their bail.
Exactly. Kai, Officer Disaster, you understand this work very well.
Why not? A job where I make more than my monthly salary in 1 week. Why won't I understand it very well? Please, Bado Police, let's hit the streets immediately.
Exactly. Someone should better tell the bad boys on the streets that the real bad boys are coming for them. Bad boys, what you gonna do? Officer Disaster, what are you saying? Is that how to sing this song?
Hey, just leave me alone. I'm a police officer, not a musician.
Yes, you are right. And your singing ability is just like your name. It is indeed a disaster.
What? Have you forgotten that I'm your superior? I will lock you up for treason.
I'm sorry, sir.
Good. Let's go and do some hunting.
I'm so happy that I've almost completed the total number of tubers of yam that the eye of the gods asked me to provide in order for me to pass my forthcoming JAMB exam. Once I complete my own part of the bargain, I expect that the eye of the gods will not only grant me exam success, but will also pay me the 10 million naira I was supposed to win from the Millionaire show earlier, as well as bless my rap talent so that I will make billions from my rap songs. Kai, Akpundu, you will become a big boy very soon.
Young man, identify yourself.
Identify myself how? I don't understand.
Who are you? And what is inside that bag that you are carrying?
It's just some tubers of yam that are in this bag. I'm coming from my father's farm.
You are coming from your father's farm. Who asked you if your father has a farm? That's offense number 1. Trying to intimidate an officer of the law by bombarding him with an information he did not ask for.
That's just one offense. So you think that because you're a young man, you can be carrying tubers of yam inside a black bag and walking down the street anyhow you like, right? You are coming to the police station with us because of this.
What a crime against humanity.
Officers, I did not do anything wrong. Is it a crime to visit my father's farm? Is it a crime to put tubers of yam in a black bag? Or it is a crime for me to trek down to my father's house?
Shut up. What is your name and where do you live?
My name is Akpundu and I live with my mom.
Where does your mom live?
My mom lives with my dad.
Okay. Where does your dad live?
My dad lives with me and my mom.
Stop testing my patience, young man. I need to get your home address. You, your mom, and your dad. Where do the three of you live?
With all due respect, sir, The three of us live together.
Alright, that's it. Get into the car. You are coming with us to the police station. Maybe you will learn how to behave yourself when you spend the night in the cell.
Officers, please let me go peacefully. I have not committed any offense.
Shut up your mouth now.
Officer Disaster, please calm down. Let's give him an option of forgiveness. Look here, young man, Mr. Akpundu. I don't normally do this, but the Christian in me keeps dragging me to be a good person. I don't just know why. Search your pockets and give us some money so that we will let you go peacefully. Once you pay us, all the crimes that you just committed, including attempted murder, will be swept under the carpet.
Officers, even 1 naira you people will not receive from me. This is how you people go about accusing innocent people and extorting them. I am a full citizen of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I cannot be intimidated. I know my rights.
Oh, is that so?
Yes, it is so.
Alright, then get into the car.
I am not entering that car.
Oya, enter the cell now.
But officer, I did not do anything. I did not do anything.
Will you get into that cell now before we serve you another dose of beating?
My God will punish the two of you just now. The two of you will remain in this police work and suffer for 600 years.
Akpundu! Akpundu!
Chukundu, what are you doing here?
Akpundu, it is a long story, a very long story.
Well, let's start from somewhere. It looks like you and I will spend the entire night in this cell.
Okay. Do you remember the first day that we met?
Yes, I think so. The day that Barati was chasing me with cutlass after I stole some tubers of yam from my father's farm.
Yes, that day. I was standing in front of my house and you ran to me and begged me to help you with a place to hide.
Yes, that's true. And because of that tiny help, you decided that out of the 4 tubers of yam that I stole, you will take 3.5 tubers and give me only half.
Yes, nah. That was your percentage. You and I know that everything in life is all about...
Shh, just shut up. Everything in life is all about percentage. I hate it when you tell me that nonsense. Just skip that part of the story and move to the next thing, please.
Okay. So after I asked you to hide in the cupboard, Barati ran towards me with his cutlass and asked if I know your whereabouts. I gave him a wrong information. I told him that you ran towards the main market, and before he left, he warned me that if he discovers that I lied to him, he will be back with his gang members to deal with me.
Wow. Okay. But how does that relate to your being in this police cell now?
Don't be faster than your shadow. Just calm down and listen to the story very carefully.
Well, alright. I'm listening. Go ahead. Wait. No just go like that now. Let me press that subscribe button and the bell wey dey in front so that you go follow for the first people wey go dey see our future videos.